Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on Google Play Store for Realme GT Neo 3. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and let's try finding Call of Duty. So the game should be on top right here, but it isn't. So to fix that, we'll need to go back. Here click on our profile icon, move to the settings, then family, parental controls, and there's two ways we can fix that. First one is to disable parental controls entirely, so simply enter your PIN code right here and then click OK. Next is to click on apps and games and enter your PIN the same way and increase PG to at least 16. After that, we'll be able to save that, move back. Let's try finding Call of Duty again, and it's right here, we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.